grab both laces with 3 fingers. Then with your left hand, pull your fingers towards you and around the lace, and your right hand push your fingers away from you and around. With your left fingers, grab the lace on the right. Then with just this finger on the right, hook the lace on the left. Pull it through, then tighten the laces. Here it is from another angle.